In this video, we're going to protect a PDF document with a set expiry date. First, open Windows Explorer. Locate the document you wish to protect. Right-click on the PDF and choose Make Secure PDF. In the Writer window, choose the Expiry and Validity tab. In the Document Expires area, check the At box. You can now set the date by using the drop-down that you want the document to expire, or you can type it in manually. When you're happy with the date, click Publish. The Protection Status window appears and indicates that the protection status has succeeded. Click OK. The protected document now appears in the listing under the original PDF. Please note it now has a .pdc extension. This is now a protected PDF file which can only be opened with the LockLizard Secure PDF viewer. If we double-click on the document, Safeguard Secure Viewer will open and load the document. If we look at the bottom right corner of the screen, we can see the date that the document has now been set to expire on. Once the expiry date is reached, the document can no longer be opened. We'll close the document. If I select a document now that I know has already expired, and double-click on it, again, Safeguard Secure Viewer will open and attempt to load the document. However, this time, a message appears saying this document has expired. Contact the email address of the publisher for any additional information. So this document has expired and can no longer be opened by the user. Click OK, close the viewer. Close Windows Explorer. As the document publisher, you can also change PDF expiry dates via the Safeguard admin system and set account expiry, document access, and more. But for this video, we're dealing only with the ones you can set when protecting a PDF.